Children, we are back, and again we are going to continue with diversity. We have been dealing with diversity, and as it is, it is living organisms in various diverse forms scattered all around. We have studied about the five kingdom classification, and in this we have already studied about the kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, and kingdom Fungi. Now we are going to deal with Monera to a greater extent. Monera consists of prokaryotic organisms. But today we are going to deal with bacteria, the true bacteria. True bacteria is unicellular and morphologically least complex. Monera consists of a very huge kingdom. And in this kingdom, bacteria is one of its components, one of its organisms. Bacteria are so small that they could not be seen through the unaided eye. We require electron microscope for studying about them. They are rarely exceeding 2 microns in diameter and 10 microns in length. And the cell wall is composed of peptidoglycan. Bacterial cell possesses long thread-like flagella. The singular form is flagellum. And this flagella is made up of a protein called flagellin. And some bacteria cells contain extremely minute, non-flagellar but straight hair-like appendages called pili, which is also known as Vibrio. And these flagella help the bacteria in its locomotion, in its movement. Now you see the diagram of the bacterial cell. Bacterial cell is a unicellular prokaryotic cell. As we have already studied, prokaryon means that it has got a very primitive nucleus. Karyon means nucleus. So it has got a primitive nucleus. Primitive nucleus means that the nuclear material which is present is not present inside a nuclear membrane. It's all scattered. So where it will be scattered? It will be scattered in the cytoplasm. And here the nuclear material is scattered in the form of a long chromatin thread which is just there in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm also consists of glycogen, ribosomes and lipid globules. And cell wall consists of, as we have already studied, pili and flagella. So this is, and it is, all the cytoplasmic material is covered with a cell wall. Now we will go on to study the various shapes of bacteria. So when we are studying about the different shapes of bacteria, we will first be dealing with the cocci, that is the spherical shaped bacteria. And it refers to the shape of the bacteria which is spherical in shape, and it contains multiple genera such as staphylococci or streptococci. Cocci can grow in pairs, chains or clusters, that is they can survive as a conjointed pair, or they can be in a long chain, or they can be grouped together in clusters depending on their orientation and attachment during cell division. Most cocci bacteria do not have flagella and are non-motile. That is, they cannot move freely in the environment. We will study about the bacilli, which is a rod-shaped bacteria. And as it is, bacilli is the disease-causing bacteria. Most of the diseases which are bacterial diseases are caused because of the bacteria which is a rod-shaped bacteria. They are usually aerobic bacteria. This means that they require oxygen for their respiration. And they produce endospores, and they are also saprophytes. But many of them are parasitic, such as bacilli anthracis of anthrax. Anthrax is a disease of the cattle. Now we will be studying about the Vibrio, which is a comma-shaped bacteria. And all the members of this bacteria are motile. Motile means that they can easily move around. And how can they move around? Because they have polar flagellae with sheaths, and it possesses 2 chromosomes. There are spirali, or the spiral or twisted bacteria. Bacteria belonging to this genus Spirulum have elongated forms with the body showing a spiral design. As compared to other types of bacteria, they are very large. The wavelength of these bacteria is usually more than 3 micrometers. Adhyan Academy is my YouTube channel. Just like, subscribe and share if you like the videos which I am loading on it for free and good learning. Thank you.